Well, you know that there are many ways to earn $1 million. But do you know which one is having more chances or more odds to reach $1 million? If you don't, then keep watching this video because in this video I'll be talking about the probabilities each way is having that can earn you your first $1 million. Starting with the first one is that if you are buying a lottery, then chances to earn your $1 million is just 0.00003%. So that's it. Now, if you are becoming or trying to earn your $1 million by being a professional athlete, then chances are just 0.03%. If you are marrying a rich partner, then chances or odds to earn $1 million rises to 4%. If you are coming into real estate, then chances increases to 18%. But if you are coming into stock market and doing trading and stuff like that, chances decreases to 10%. Now the last one is the business venture. Like if you are starting your own business idea or your new business venture, then chances rises to all time high, that is 24%. So least chances to earn $1 million is by buying a lottery, and more chances is by starting your own business venture. So do your stuff, do your calculation, and start working towards your first million. I hope you got it, and see you soon in the next video. Till then, keep watching, keep learning, and if you find my videos valuable, you can smash that like button.